Hi everyone, it's Adam from McSkelly Leathers here, and if you've clicked on the video you're probably interested in our raffle. So today in the raffle we are going to be giving away a voucher for £50, and this voucher can be used to buy some of our stuff. So let's have a look at some of that stuff now. So what's the raffle for, I hear you say? So the raffle is for UK Larp Kit, who are trying to earn enough money so they can set up their own YouTube channel. So they're going to need things like cameras and lights and all that kind of gubbins. So this is where you come in. So if you want to enter the raffle, you have to send £1 to uklarpkit@gmail.com, and in the notes section put down McSkelly Leathers Raffle. We'll also need some form of contact details, whether you want that to be your address, your phone number, your email, whatever. As long as we can get in contact with you, that's great. So I'm going to put the details up on the screen so you can see them now. So what happens next? Well, the raffle's going to be open till the end of May. All proceeds from it are going to go to UK Larp Kit to help them set up their YouTube channel, and any details you send us we're not going to use for marketing purposes and send you a load of junk mail. So if you want to get involved, remember to send £1 to uklarpkit@gmail.com, and if you want to see the kind of things you can use your voucher for, head over to McSkelly Leathers on Facebook and check out all our stock. So thanks for watching everyone, and good luck on the raffle.